All right. You want to make 5 grand today? I'm going to show you how to do it. But before I do, here's your part of the bargain. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you can get notified when I drop more videos like this. All right, no more hubbub. Let's get into this. This is what's doing. I'm going to make you guys 5 grand. It's going to be easy. Almost anybody can do this. So check this out. We're going to come to eBay, and in the search box, I'm going to type in Pokemon Oreos. You wouldn't think, right? Now, here's what I want you guys to do. Come down here to the solds. First of all, look at the inventory. Look at that inventory shrinking. Okay, now look at the solds. Sold items. Here we go. Wow, I couldn't see it. And check this out. Check out what these things are going for. $16.99. Look at this. What's this about? $1,000 for an Oreo? What the heck? Sold September 16th, 2021. That's today. $1,000 for a rare Mew, M-E-W, Pokemon Oreo. Okay, but these Oreos in the package are going for an average of about 14, 15 bucks, right? I mean, there's some cheaper ones here, but when you add the shipping, anyway, check this out. This is bank, this is money. Now, let's go and grab these. Here's $12.99. Buy it now. $16.99, $14.49, $11, $19, $14, another $1,000. This one sold yesterday. So where do you get this? Target. Go to Target. How much are they? Check it out. Here they are right here. $3.79 a package. And look, they are available in my local store, and if I didn't want to go get them, I could just have them shipped to me. So there it is, guys. There's 5 grand right there in your pocket. All you have to do is follow through. Do a little bit more research on eBay. Do what works. Go right now to Target and grab all of these Pokemon Oreo cookies and put them up on eBay. And you'll make 5 grand. Just keep doing it, right? I mean, $3.79. Anytime you can turn under $4 into $15 to $20 on average, let's call it $12 on average. And then even maybe, and I don't know what this is about, maybe even $1,000 for an Oreo. I mean, why wouldn't you go check this out, right? All right, there it is. Now, before you click away, I've got something else for you that could possibly make you some dough. And I'm talking about either a brand new 12.9-inch iPad Pro or $1,000 in cash. It's your choice. Let me show you. Booyakasha, here it is. This is a competition that I am doing. This is my competition. That I will give you your choice of either a 12.9-inch iPad Pro or $1,000 cash. It's your choice. And I'm even going to give away a surprise mystery gift to the winner. What could that be? Who knows? Could be something amazing. But here it is. Now, the link to this contest, to this actual page where you can enter this competition, is in the description below, right? Just do it. Now, what you have to do to enter this competition, there are 10 ways to enter. The more ways you enter, the more points you get. The more points you get, the more eligible you become to win. So the first thing you have to do is click on this and join this Discord group. What is this all about, Kinghuman? Well, this is about an NFT competition. There is, if you don't know, I've been kind of getting into the whole NFT thing. And if you don't know what NFTs are, do yourself a favor. Start looking into this. I think NFTs can make a lot of you chuckleheads wealthy in a lot of different ways. And you don't have to mint your own NFTs. You can just buy them and trade them. But what's going on here is this particular Discord group is called Panda Fight Club. And what they're doing is they're giving away, they're having a competition, and they're going to give away 2.5 Ethereum to the person that gets the most people to join their Discord group. So I said, you know what? Hey, let's turn this into my own competition. And if I win the Panda Fight Club competition, I'll give the person that helps me the most $1,000 or an iPad Pro. If I win, you win. So anyway, the link to that is below. So come to this page and then just click on this. And the minute you click on this, you'll be able to unlock 47 more ways to win. Do it, don't do it, it's your life. At the very least, you should go check out the Oreo thing. And oh, one more thing. You can enter this as many times as you want. In fact, the most important thing you can do is when you come through here, you will unlock 47 more entries. I think the one action that you can take that gives you the best chances of winning is sharing this actual contest with other people. And there will be a link to that in here after you do the first unlock. So that's the way you can get $1,000. All right, guys. Again, do it, don't do it. The link is below. It's your life. Live your life. Be happy. But at the very least, you might want to come and check out this Oreo thing. I think it's the weirdest thing. All right, guys. Maximum respect. Bayanara. And if you want to do a solid for a sick kid, donate a couple of bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. They help sick kids. They don't charge the families a penny, and they share their research with other hospitals. All right, adios, maximum respect, Bayanara, cheers! Why are you still here? Go away.